Installation and commissioning of the eCap. Today we would like to show you how easy it is to install and commission the eCap. The first step would be mounting the eCap inside your control panel on a standard DIN rail. The second step is the wiring job. It starts with the connection of the supply voltage. Two wires are connected to the eCap. Then, the eCap is connected to a Modbus master via Modbus RTU and the RS485 serial interface. Then measuring inputs are connected. Depending on your power network, there are multiple ways to connect. Optionally, the neutral wire can be connected. Since our Modbus master has no possibility to display the measured values, let's connect to a monitor to display the measured electrical values. When using the eCap with an IoT module, the digital data is now sent to the cloud via the internet, giving you access to the data from anywhere in the world. The third step is setting the parameters. This can be done by importing or configuring the data through your computer via Modbus to USB serial converter, or to make setup even easier, eCap gives you the opportunity to set parameters with the screwdriver on just the front of the device. Well, congratulations! The installation is now complete and eCap measures incoming values, digitizes them and transmits them via Modbus RTU to a data logger, which in this case is a Modbus master. The captured electrical values will now be on display. And that's it! You can now measure the analog electrical values of your machine and have direct access to the digital data obtained.